Salam and welcome back to the land of visual arts. My name is Visha and it's a new year, same me. Today I'm gonna try and convert this into this. So let's roll the intro. By the way, I borrowed / stole this artwork from a friend of mine, a brother. He makes some awesome artworks. Go ahead and follow him if you haven't already. Okay, first I'm gonna sharpen the image. I think that brings out the details in the sketch. Make an exposure layer and make it darker. Let's make a solid adjustment layer and pick a color and right click, blending options, and just do this. Totally not copying Brainy Productions. Invert this and let's take the brush tool and start painting with opacity 20%. Okay, looking horrible. Okay, let's make it nicer. Let's take the lasso tool and let's cut out these parts. Okay, let's make a copy of this. Let's make this darker a bit and let's paint. I think it gives like a glowy edge sort of vibe. And now it's time for some highlights. Okay, let's export it as PNG and let's bring it back and play with some camera raw filter. Okay, that is it guys. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to watch these type of videos once in a while. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.